Introducing Ramp Treasury, the business account that maximizes returns and minimizes your work. For too long, businesses have had to choose immediate liquidity or maximum returns, high speed or low fees. At Ramp, we don't do compromise. So we built business and investment accounts that don't. Ramp puts your money to work with high returns and total liquidity. Pay bills instantly and pay zero fees. Ramp even works for you in the background, telling you before funds are low and when there's extra to invest. Welcome to a world without compromise. Welcome to Ramp Treasury.